Hey guys, welcome back to Team DTV. We are here at the Isuzu Truck Fest 2025 where Carryboy Philippines is one of the major participants. Guys, this is the Carryboy 12-passenger EcoBus. Tara, silipin natin. Hey guys, so today kasama po natin si Ma'am Lisa Castillo, Sales Supervisor ng Carryboy Philippines Cavite Branch.
Good morning, sir.
Hi ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell us a little more kung anong highlight nitong Carryboy EcoBus?
Okay. Bali, ito po yung bagong product ni Carryboy dito sa Pilipinas. Ito po yung tinatawag na EcoBus. Bali, passenger vehicle po siya. 12 seating capacity, and then with aircon na rin po siya. And then yung height niya is 6 feet po. Meron na rin po siyang kasamang mga seatbelt, and then the door handle po. So, mas convenient din pong umupo dito kasi maluwag po yung space. Ang maganda po kasi dito is mas maluwag nga po yung space niya, and at the same time, pwede mo siyang gawing pang tourist. So, yes, tourist van din po siya. Actually,
kasi
kaya po
malalaki yung window no?
Yes
so,
po, sir.
maganda yung view mo outside.
Yes po, sir.
Tapos dito rin sa door, meron pa rin vertical na salamin, kitang-kita mo rin sa labas. And then, aside from that, since most of the products ni Carryboy is made of fiberglass, meron din tong heat resistance. Matibay ang flooring, fiberglass ang upuan, good quality upholstery, at dito sa baba ng aircon, merong storage. Meron ding wireless push button para sabihan si Kuya Driver to stop. Meron din dito sa may pinto para sa mga pasahero sa likod. May LED bar sa harap, meron din sa likod. Ayan, maliwanag kapag bukas yung dalawa. At meron ka rin ditong emergency escape tool. May cutter for the seatbelt and window breaker in case of emergency na kailangan mong makalabas ng sasakyan agad-agad. So if you guys notice, diba, itong single cab na truck natin dito, wala actually masyadong modification na ginawa kasi this is still the original truck bed nung pickup, diba? So ipinatong lang siya. So this is one of the beauty ng ganitong design ng EcoBus. Wala ka halos ginawang modification sa original construction ng sasakyan. So nakapatong lang siya diyan. Naka-sealed, weather sealed. Pagdating mo dito sa taillight, this is still the original, the stock taillight nung truck mo. Alright? So kung magkaroon ka ng problem, yung bulb, fittings and all, still the original part. Magkaroon ng minor accident, you can still buy the same taillight from the casa, from the dealership. And since this is made of fiberglass material, which is lightweight, walang ginawang modification sa suspension. Right? So ito, stock pa rin yan. When you buy your truck, still the same, wala kayo dadagdag kasi nga lightweight siya. So overall, the design concept is very convenient and very practical. Pag nagka-problema ka later, it's still the same suspension parts na bibilhin mo from the dealership or from your Suking auto parts dealer. Kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, yung design niya dito, parang may umbok na ganyan palabas. That actually will give you extra inches of interior space. Kaya tingnan mo dito sa loob. Meron kang extra space dito. Ang luwag. And then dito naman sa taas, sa ibabaw ng cab, meron windbreaker. That's housing the separate air conditioning para doon sa loob. Right? So, malaking bagay ito, malaking tulong to sa fuel efficiency ng sasakyan kasi yun nga, it will lessen the wind drag. And then ito, with the windbreaker, ayan may mga butas. So, yung hangin tatagos lang dyan sa loob. And then at the same time, it will cool down your air conditioning system. And in case you are wondering kung saan kumukuha ng power yan, they made a slight modification dito sa engine bay. Alright? So, yung compressor noon, nandito rin sa loob. Okay? So, meron na siyang dalawang compressor. The original, the OEM compressor that provides air conditioning doon sa cabin, and then, naglagay sila ng separate compressor for the EcoBus doon sa likod. Alright? Para malamig na malamig talaga. Ang isa pang nakikita kong advantage sa ganitong design, yung maintenance. Kasi 'di ba, over time nagiging madumi yan eh. And once in a while pinapabuga natin yan ng water. And since ganyan yung pagkaka-design niya, pwede mo na siyang dalhin lang sa regular car wash, pabugahan mo ng hangin or ng water and mag-slide down lang siya dito. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Lisa.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan. So guys, for more information, please contact Kerry Boy Philippines via their Facebook pages, Kerry Boy Philippines and Kerry Boy Express Lane. Alright, so ilalagay ko po dyan sa description box yung links ng pages nila including the contact numbers. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching and as always, please drive safe. Bye.
Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.